Today we're going to the sea. Okay, so let's start this story. Okay, so I have to wait for the train. Okay, so let's just wait for it. Okay, so let's see who is here. Okay, so I'm just gonna go here and check what is here. Like, oh, there's a hat. Okay, so let's try this hat on. Oh, that hat is nice. Okay, so let's just put that here. Okay, what do I have? Water. Okay, water is yummy. Oh, hello, how are you? I am a gray man. Gray man? Okay. You look so strange. Okay, because I look strange. Okay. So that means, what are you doing? I just have my hat. Do you want to try it? I don't know. Maybe I can try it. Okay. That was a crazy hat. Well, bye. Okay, wait a minute. How do I get out? Okay. So let's see what is here else. Oh, a coin. So that means I can buy a toy. Okay, let's see what is here. Oh, I got a chicky. So nice. Okay, so let's go and buy something from here. I would like orange juice. Oh, here it is. I will drink it. I think that is so yummy. Yummy. Okay, wait, what is this card? Okay, so let's try it and see. What is this card doing here? Okay, excuse me. Okay, so I got this present. Oh, there's like headphones. I like the headphones. Okay, so let's put my head back to the backpack. Oh, the headphones look so cool. I think the train is here, but first, let's explore more places. I think I want a strawberry or orange. Okay, so I'm gonna take an orange. Okay, here is an orange. Yummy. I love oranges. So yummy. Okay, let's go check what is here. There's a cat. This is so funny. There's shoes. I don't like shoes. What is this? This is a little bit funny. Okay, so finally I want to fly to the sea. Not fly, just go. Okay, so where's the sea? Oh, I forgot. I'm in the train station. Okay, just close this and let's see who's doing here. Good morning. Good morning. So, do you have your travel ticket? Yes, I have it. Okay, so where do you want to travel? To the sea. Okay, your city is going to be in 5 minutes. Okay, so that means my train is gonna be in 5 minutes, right? Yes. Okay, so now we can just press the travel card, but first you need just to do that. Okay. Oh, now I can go. Okay, now let's see if the train is here. I don't think it's still here, but let's put my travel card there. And where is my avocado? A nice plushie. Okay, so we're here in the train station, and I think we're going to be almost here. Okay, let's just quickly. Okay, so now we're riding the train. So let's put my plushie back, and I think we're almost here to the sea. I love the sea. Okay, so let's start. Oh, I'm here. Okay, but first I wanted to explore the train. I didn't even get to explore the train. Oh, what are these plushies doing here? I don't know. They're kind of funny. Oh. I should take this. And there's the headphones. I don't know why are these headphones here. That's so strange. Okay, but actually, now let's see. Where did they leave? Oh, I love pandas. Okay, so let's actually see the train because I really like the train. Oh, there's an airplane, a man with balls. What is this box doing here? Oh, that is my plushie that I lost last year. Okay, so let's go and see. What is this? That is a little bit funny. Okay, let's go and see. Wow, this girl is so funny. She has like a hat of, like in bear. Can I see your headphones? Yes. Now I have your hat for a minute. I look nice. Okay, then here you go. Your hat is back. Okay, so let's explore the train more. Why are you holding that? Because I love it. Okay, so can I see your glasses? Oh, they look nice. Okay, that is right. Can I try your head? Okay, so I'm here at the sea. Okay, let's see what is here. Good morning. Good morning. Do you want to buy something? I don't know. For now, not. Okay, so let's go and see. Oh, there's a skateboarding. Can I try it? Yes. You can try skateboarding. Okay. Where's my skateboard? I have to go. Oh my god. Okay, let's just try like this. Now I can go. Now I can press. Woohoo! That was fun. Okay, so I'm back. Okay, so now let's go and see. We explored the beach. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I have a pair here. Let's do that. I wanted that. Good morning. Do you make milkshakes? Yes, I do make milkshakes. Are you wanting a milkshake? Yes. What's coconut, apple, and grape? Okay. Okay, here you go. This. And how about banana? No, I want strawberry. Okay, milkshake is gonna be ready. Let's just close my milkshake. Okay, so where is apple? You think you didn't make my milkshake? Oh no, you didn't make my milkshake. That is so funny. You didn't even make it. Hello, you didn't even make it. What did you just do? Didn't even. Okay, so we're here. Okay, so let's go and see what is here. Oh, good morning. Can I have some ice cream? Yes. Which ice cream do you want? I want chocolate ice cream. Okay. It's gonna be ready. Cup or something. I think I just want a cup. Orange, yes. I want the orange cup. I already do anything. I'm just standing here. Okay. So, where is it go? Where's your ice cream? Oh, where's the cup? Where's the cup? Oh no, sorry, I forgot the cup. Here it is. The ice cream is ready. Okay, then here we go. Here is your ice cream. I wanted bananas. So I wanted bananas, kiwi, and some strawberries. Okay, and here we go. Thank you. Okay, I shouldn't do it. That's nice. Yummy. Okay, so now you want another one? Yes, I want another one. Okay, so let's taste. I want the cookie taste. Okay, here we go, the cookie taste. Okay, thank you. That is what I wanted. Okay, and I also want a drink. I want this. Okay, just close it. Okay, now I can go to the beach. Okay, so let's see what is here. Oh, there's so much things. Okay, let's put my bag here and my juice